Hello students, we are in the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Okay, today we will take some first question which will be very important from examination point of view. You may think that these questions are really hard, but it is not so. Please listen carefully. So let us start today. Right, we have taken the first question. Let us read the first question. If Sn, the sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to 3n square minus 4n, then we have to find the n term. I have underlined the important points. Okay, before starting this, you see, there are two terms, 1 plus 3, their sum is 4. Okay, next 1, 3, 5, we have added, then we get 9. Here, this is the sum of how many terms? 2 terms. Let us denote by S2. This is the sum of 3 terms, 9. Now, if we know S2, which is 4, S3 is 9, then which is the third term? Third term is how much? 9 minus 4, which is 5. So, third term can be found by S3 minus S2. Always let us concept this third term is given by S3 minus S2. Okay, this 9 minus 4 is 5. Here also, question is find the n term. When it is find n term, how will do? When it is 3, it is also 3. That means Sn, same thing, Sn minus the preceding number, sum of Sn minus 1. Okay, let us apply this concept here. So let us start. So here, question is find n term. So n term is sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So Sn, already it is given 3n square minus 4n minus, in place of n, let us substitute n minus 1 there. 3, then n square. So it will be n minus 1 square minus 4n. 4 into, n will be substituted by n minus 1. Okay, just let us simplify. This is 3n square minus 4n minus 3. Let us expand it. N square minus twice n plus 1 minus, this is minus 4n plus 4. Alright, student. So this is 3n square minus 4n minus, let us multiply this, 3n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 4n plus 4. Now let us simplify this part. 3n square minus 4n minus, this is 3n square, alright, this minus 6n minus 4n is minus 10n, this is plus 7. Let us remove the bracket. 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square plus 10n minus 7. Okay, these two will get cancelled. So it is 10n minus 4n is 6n, then this is minus 7. So in this way we can find n term. I hope all of you understood. Now the same sum can also be found in another way. Let us do one sum like that. Alright, we have taken a similar sum, but question is a little bit different. The sum of n terms of an AP is 5n square minus 3n. Find the AP, and also its 10 term. Okay, question is of similar pattern. Sum is given there. This sum was different. Now here sum is 5n square minus 3n. We have to find there are two parts. Find the AP and its 10 term. Okay, so let us do in different way. So sum of n terms was given in the last question. So here also it is given like this, 5n square minus 3n. So let us find, if we put in place of n, if we put 1, that means sum of one term. It means one term only, first term only. 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. This is 5 minus 3 is 2. That is, it means the first term is 2. Sum of one term is only the first term. Then S2. S2 means sum of how many terms? Yes, 2 terms. First term and second term. S2. In place of n, how much will put? 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2. So it means the first term and the second term. This is 5 into 2 square is 4 minus 3 to the 6. Alright student? So here A1 was 2, A2 5 4, this is 20 minus 6. Okay, so A2 is, this is 14 and this 2 on the other side is minus 2. So A2 is 12. Alright dear student, now you see here, find the AP and its 10 term. Now how can we find AP? We can easily find AP if we know the first term and the common difference. So first term is here, the first term is 2 and the common difference is second term minus first term. Alright, because already it is AP, it is given in the question. 12 minus, second term is 12, first term is 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay dear student, first part is find the AP. So the AP is 2 plus the common difference 12, 12 plus common difference 22, like this, so on. Okay, now let us move to the second part. So second part of it, second part is we have to find the 10 term, that means A10. So A plus n minus 1, so 10 minus 1, it is 9D. Okay, now A is how much? 2 plus 9. D is how much? 10. So 2 plus, this is 90, 92. Okay, so the AP we have found and the 10 term also we have found. Okay, let us take one more. Next question. The sum of three numbers of an AP is 27 and their product is 405. Find the numbers. So there are three numbers. Okay, now you see here, sometimes you may get question 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. Okay, so how to take the numbers so that we can find the sum very easily. Let us see. Okay, so I am giving you just make a table for you. Here you can see number of terms and what are the terms. Okay, you see. If number of terms is maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Let us generally we get these 3 questions only. Okay, if number of terms is 3, just like this, 3 questions. Okay, so you take in this way. The numbers are A minus D, the terms are A minus D, A plus D. You can check they are in AP because you see the common difference is same. This minus this is D, this minus this is also D. So they are in AP. So why we take like this? Because the sum is given, sum is this one. If we take their sum, D will cancel. So 3A is something we can easily find for A, for that reason only. Now if there are 4 terms, you take in this way. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. They are in AP. This minus this is 2D, this minus this is 2D, this minus this is 2D. When we will find their sum, these 3D will cancel, minus D plus D will get cancelled. For that reason in this way. Now if we take, if there are 5 terms, then the terms we take in this way. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, then A plus 2D. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. The difference is D. This minus this is D, this minus this is D, this minus this is also D, this minus this is D. I hope it is clear. So you always take in this way. Okay, now let us continue the sum. The 3 numbers B, A minus D, A and A plus D, they are in AP. Okay, now their sum is 27. So let us add A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Their sum is 27. So let us solve. D will get cancelled. A plus A thrice A is 27. So A equal to 27 by 3. A equal to 9. Now we have to find D. How? Also another case is given. Their product is 405. Also their product, this into this into this. A minus D into A plus D. The product is 405. So this is obviously 9 minus d, 9 plus d, 405. So this is 9 minus d into 9 plus d. Let us take 405 on the other side by 9. This is of the form a minus b plus b, so it is a square minus b square minus d square. Okay, this is 45. Alright. So here this is 81 minus d square is 45. So minus d square is 45 minus 81 minus d square is minus 36. Isn't it? So d square equal to 36. So okay, d equal to plus minus 6. Now, so here we are getting two values of d. One is plus 6, another is minus 6. So when a equal to 9 and d equal to plus 6, then the three terms are okay. You see, a minus d, 3, then a 9 and a plus d, this 9 plus 6 15. Also when second case, because we have to take two cases, when a equal to 9 and d equal to next case minus 6, then the three terms are alright. Three terms are, at first you see a minus d, that is 9 minus of minus 6, it is 15. Then it is a is how much? 9, and a plus d, this plus this is 3. Ultimately it is same numbers. In this question, if m times the m term of an AP is equal to n times its n term, then find the m plus n term. Okay, please read the question once more so that you can understand. Okay, so now let a be the first term. It is not given first term common divisor, so let us assume it first. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference. Okay, now here what is given? Let us use that thing only. Here it is m times the m term is equal to n times of n term. It is given. Okay, m times of the m term is equal to n times of the n term. Now let us simplify. M into what is that m term? A plus m minus 1 into d. This is n term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Alright, now let us simplify this. Let us multiply m into a, m into m minus 1 into d. This is na plus n into n minus 1 into d. What is clear? Now ma plus this is m square minus m d, na plus this is n square minus n into d. Now let us bring everything on the left hand side. So it is ma, similar terms, let us write together na plus m square minus n into d minus this on the other side will be negative, m square minus n is d. It is 0. Understood? Okay. Now here you see, here a is common and here d is common. So let us take a common here, m minus n plus, as d is taken common here, so it will be m square minus m minus of this term. Okay, let us take the bracket so that you can understand easily. M square minus m, a into m minus n plus d m square minus m minus n square plus n equal to 0. Alright, a m minus n d m square. This m square let us write together, this minus n plus n. Okay, m square is only change is that this m square is m square here, n square we have brought here, right? And the remaining part. Okay, this thing let us write, let us copy here, a into m minus n plus d. Okay, now we see, we can factorize this. If we factorize, it is m plus n, m minus n, minus, what is common here? Minus 1 is common, m minus n is equal to 0. Now you see, have you understood this part? m minus 1 is taken common, so m minus 1 minus n. Now this is a into m minus n plus d. Now from these two terms, what is common? What is common? M minus n is common. What will be left? M plus n, this minus 1 is left. Now from these two terms again, what is common? Yes, m minus n is common. You take m minus n is common. So what will be left? A plus d into this m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? Okay. Now this m minus n we take on the other side. 0 divided by this, so only we will get this term only. A plus d into m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0 divided by this is 0. Now just one step is left. Let us arrange. What is our aim? To find the m plus n. You see, this is almost similar to this. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a plus n minus 1, n plus n minus 1. So this is nothing but, isn't it? This is which term? M plus n term is equal to 0. Find the m plus n term. So m plus n term is how much? 0. Right, student? Now let us question. P term is 1 by q and the q term is 1 by p. Find its p into q term, p q term. Okay, so like the previous sum, let about the first term common difference is not given, that's why we have to assume. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference. Alright, so here p term, that is AP is 1 by q. How will you express? A plus p minus 1 into d is 1 by q. This is equation 1. Alright student, next q term. AQ is how much? 1 by p. So how will you express this? A plus, in place of n, let us have q, into d is 1 by p. Okay, this is equation 2. Now, what we'll do, we shall solve equation 1 and 2 to find a and d. Let us proceed. Now, a plus p minus 1 into d is 1 by q. Next, a plus q minus 1 into d is 1 by p. What we'll do? Yes, we shall subtract. Subtracting. Okay, now it will get, sign will get changed. A cancel, so this minus this. Let us write in this way. P minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d is 1 by q minus 1 by p. Okay. Now this implies, from here what we'll do, we'll take d common. So it is p minus 1 minus q minus 1. Q minus 1. Okay, then here what is LCM? We will have to take the LCM. LCM is PQ. PQ. So it will be your P minus Q. P minus Q. D is taken common. So P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is P minus Q by PQ. D. Your plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. It will be P minus Q. P minus Q divided by PQ. Now you can check, students. From both the sides we can remove P minus Q. So D is going to be 1 by PQ. We have found the value of D. What is left? To find the value of A. How will do? We'll put the value of D in any of these two equations. Alright. Now putting the value of D in equation say 1, we get A plus P minus 1. A plus P minus 1 into D. What is D? 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. This is A plus this into this, P2 will get cancelled. This is 1 by Q minus 1 by PQ, 1 by Q. So A equal to, let us bring on this on the other side, 1 by Q. This is plus, on the other side minus 1 by Q plus 1 by PQ. So this gives us A equal to 1 by Q, 1 by Q will get cancelled, 1 by PQ. So solving this equation, we have got A equal to 1 by PQ and D equal to 1 by PQ. Now what is the question? We have to find PQ term. So let us do the next bit. We got A equal to 1 by PQ, D is also equal to 1 by PQ. Question is find APQ, means PQ term. So it is A plus PQ minus 1 into D. Okay, this is the format of the anthem. A is 1 by PQ plus PQ minus 1. D is 1 by PQ. So 1 by PQ plus this into this is 1 minus 1 into 1 by PQ is 1 by PQ. This will get cancelled. So 1. So we have proved that, we have found that 1 by PQ term is 1. Okay, student, let us do one. Find the sum of all 11 terms. 11 terms, okay? Often AP whose middlemost term is 30. Now, you see, just there are 11 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers in this side, 5 numbers. So the middlemost term is 6th term. Okay. So, but actually how we do? This is the easier way to do. But if the numbers is big, we cannot do in this way. So the middlemost term is which one? How we do? 11 plus 1 divided by 2 term. Isn't it? So 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 2 6th term. This is 6th term. So 6th term is 30. What is given? 6th term is 30. 6th term, how do you express? A plus 5D is 30. But what is the question? Find the sum of all 11 terms. Okay, so we know, let us apply the formula. S of how many? 11. Let us apply the formula. What is the formula? N into twice A plus N minus 1 into D divided by 2. Let us substitute all the values which are given to us. Here N is how many terms? The sum of all 11 terms. N is 11. It is given here also. Twice A. N is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10D by 2. Okay. This is very so easy, sum you can check. From these two, let us take 2 common. 2. What will be left? A plus 5D by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So it is 11 into A plus 5D is how much? 30. 30. So their product is 330. Okay, dear student, a question from the optional exercise. Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is its first negative term? So here, what is given? A is 121. D is 117 minus 121, which is minus 4. You see, the numbers decreasing. So ultimately we will get a negative term. Now question is, which is the first negative term? So let us find AN. This nth term will be the negative term. Negative means it should be less than 0. Okay, it is not 0, less than 0. For negative numbers, integers are -1, -2, -3. Those are less than 0. So here also that term, the value of that term will be negative, that means less than 0. Now the expression for a n, as you know, a plus n minus 1 into d, which is less than 0. A is how much? 121, and we have to find it. D is -4. 121. Let us multiply this. This is -4n. This is +4, less than 0. This is 125 minus 4n, less than 0. Okay, so 125 is 4n. Please do not take -125 on the other side. Okay, I am giving an example why we have taken this, so that by example you can understand reason. You will learn in the higher classes. Suppose this less than 0 case, let us take. Suppose 4 minus 5, it is obviously -1 is less than 0. Now if we take minus this 4 on the other side, -5 is less than -4. Okay, still it is correct. But please don't remove the sign. Then this statement is wrong, totally wrong. 5 cannot be less than 4. Up to this one it is correct. That's why I prefer to say that all the students that change the which term is negative, you please take this term on the other side. There will be no confusion at all. Alright, student? So here this 4 you take on this side. 125 divided by this 4 is less than n. So let us divide. 4 125, 4 3 are 12, 5 4 1 4 1. Okay, so this is 31. 1 and 1 by 4 is less than n. So n is greater than 31 1 by 4. So n should be a natural number. Okay, so what is the immediate next number? N will be equal to 32 in this case. So which is the first negative term? 32nd term, right? So the first negative term is 32nd term. Alright, let us move further. Let us read the question, student. A ladder has rungs 25 cm apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 cm at the bottom to 25 cm at the top. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2.5 meters apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rungs? Okay, this is the question. Now at first we have to understand that this is a question of arithmetic progression. You see the rung decreases uniformly increases or uniformly decreases. This is a matter of arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the distance between two rungs? 25 cm. Now student, let me tell, rungs means the horizontal support in a ladder. Okay, now the length of the rung at the bottom is 45 cm and the length of the rung at the top is 25 cm. It is given, and the distance between bottom and the top rung is how much? 2.5 meters. That is 250 centimeters if we convert in centimeter. Now question is, what is the length of the wood which is used in to make the rungs? This is the question. Okay, now before solving this sum, let us try to understand a concept. Let us consider a ladder. Let us draw a few rungs. How many rungs are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many gaps are there? 2 gaps. So whenever there are 2 gaps, number of rungs we have to increase by 1. 2 gaps, so this is the reference line. 2 gaps, so 1, 2, 3. 3 rungs are there. So this concept let us apply there. Here the solution is very simple, except what is n. If you know n, then you can easily find the total length of the wood. Alright? So let us find the number of gaps. Number of gaps is equal to total distance between the bottom and the top is 2.5 meters. That is 250 centimeters. Distance between the two consecutive rungs is 25 centimeters. Okay, so the number of gaps is equal to 10. So number of rungs as already discussed in the previous example, we have to increase by 11, that is n is equal to 11. Now let us find the total length of the wood. How we find? Using the formula. We know S is equal to n into a plus l divided by 2. Okay, because why we have used? Because here everything is known to us. Now n is 11, a, that is length of the bottom rung. It is how much? 45, plus length of the topmost rung is 25 centimeter, divided by 2. Now let us solve this part here. This is 11. If we add this, 70 by 2, let us simplify, 35. So let us multiply 35 into 35, 385 centimeter. So the length of the wood, therefore length of wood equal to 385 centimeter. Okay, have you understood? Okay, thank you so much.